Check this out. It's a 1999 Country Coach on a Prevost bus chassis. Cummins Diesel. Best thing about this thing is this back mirror. Check that badass big boy out. God bless America. Good job, Gary. Completely restored, front to back, top to bottom, in and out. 60,000 one owner miles. All new tinted glass, all new awnings, all new tires, all new brakes. Batteries in there, furnace in there, storage under there. Great big awning here. We'll walk inside in a minute. Brand new paint. His personal design. You'll never see another one like it. Great looking rig. 60,000 miles on a Cummins Diesel. This thing will go another 20 years. Nice bump out in the living room and kitchen. You'll see it in a minute. Again, all new paint, all new windows, new tires, rubber. Unbelievable amount of storage in this thing. LED lights all around. Every light bulb was replaced. Awnings nice and easy to move. They all work nicely. It's the radiator and heat exchange. All the coolers on the side. The tailpipe. What you hear running is the generator up front. It's that big mural again. I love looking at that thing. Again, all LED lights all around. Weighted, re-chromed Country Coach so that flap doesn't go flapping. Nice and straight. Check out the inside. There's a cover here, right here, that pulls out automatically when you're driving so you don't fall into the pit here. Check this out. How pretty is this? Super clean, everything works. Thermostat runs the whole ship. The owner put a new Garmin system in it, so it'll tell you anywhere in the country that where you're driving that you're not allowed to go because there's propane and you're not gonna make it under a bridge. Go a different direction. Let's try this route, but it knows exactly where to go and where not to go. Makes us pretty smart. This is a fully reclining seat. You can actually lay out flat, use it as a bed. Another one here, again, all brand new. Nicely upholstered seats, the little dining area. They match the pillows here and the trim running up along the bump out. So that's the bump out there. So it starts here, goes all the way across to the kitchen. Speaking of the kitchen, got a convection microwave oven here. That's kind of cool. You have a 2-burner stove that's the previous owner or only owner said never used. You got a sink here, 2 sinks. Got plenty of storage for everything. Nice view. Nice picture window out front. Huge fridge. Look how, let me stand back and see how this is. That's legit, this thing. So you got this. Oh, again, everything works. It's like it's a 2-year-old rig. Big freezer. water heater. No control starting. I don't know what this is the bedroom. Again, all new big fans. Great lighting. What you hear is the generator that's keeping this thing humming. Upgraded to all flat screen TVs with a sound bar under that one. All right, let's walk into the bathroom. So this is a complete bathroom. Nice sink. Hi, Dave. Full bath. Full shower. Natural light. Got a full toilet area here. Full head. And super clean, super well maintained. One closet here. You'll see the other one in the bedroom. Washer dryer combo. Again, brand new, never used. It's the living room, kitchen. Let's go into the bedroom. Oh yeah, both these things have pocket doors on either side, so you can get privacy in the bathroom and privacy in the bedroom. Same thing, same pocket door here. Here's the bedroom. Brand new 12-inch memory foam, 2 My Pillows, brand new. Everything's new. Nothing's been used. Day-night shades work perfectly, and those tinted glass windows make a big difference. Another flat screen television. Big closet here, relatively. Cedar with a flip-out pine and board. You can run all your lights back here. You can run everything back here. So if you want to put the lights on outside at night from the bedroom, you can. But pretty cool. Beautiful, beautiful restoration. Nice tile floor. That's original. This is going to make somebody very happy. Nicely done. Ready to go. 60,000 miles. Cummins Diesel. Allison transmission. Bus chassis. Country Coach was a subsidiary of Prevost, so you know the kind of quality you're going to get with this baby. All right, folks. Happy trails.